In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Steam. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to open your Steam account. And then at the top right corner, you have to click your profile and go to account settings. And then there, under account settings, you can see all the payment options, payment methods, and how to add funds to your Steam account. So you can choose your payment provider, payment method there. If you tap add funds, then it will take you directly to the site where you can add your fund. Okay, so we can also see here redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. You just have to tap this one to see more information about how to redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. So yes, you can see add a payment method to this account, contact information. Okay, so you can see here how to pay or how to add funds to your account. But of course, the question is how to withdraw money from Steam. So here's the thing, you can simply sell skins on your Steam and you can earn money through that. When game designers added skins, they had no idea that players would start trading them outside of the game as well as selling them for real money. And that skin mining would someday become a legitimate business for some individuals. So on the Steam platform, you may also exchange acquired skins for in-game currency, but there is no option to sell anything for actual money. Therefore, you should be aware of this third party that I'm going to introduce to you. So this is what we call skin cashier. So all you have to do is just simply log in your account. So obviously that is your Steam account. Okay. So here you just have to simply type your email address or username. So here they will ask for your email address and then your trade URL. If you don't know how to see that or get the trade URL, all you have to do is just simply click find here and then go to this new trade offer. Tap this one, then you can copy that. But since I don't have one yet, so I can't paste it right here. Okay, so anyways, if you go back to skin cashier, you will see here the balance or the money that you earned. So what you're going to do is just simply go to the site. And if you want to withdraw this money, you should go this part right here to see what payment method you want. So if you want PayPal, you just have to tap PayPal. And as you can see here, you will receive your money instantly. Okay, so that's it. That's how easy it is to withdraw money from your Steam account.
So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.